Ameren Illinois has implemented Copperleaf in 2017 for our electric distribution and gas investments. We had a legacy system that was a macro-based Excel spreadsheet. It wasn't the easiest to use, and it didn't have all the capabilities that the industry and the company needed at the time. We went through a competitive process and ultimately evaluated 6 different companies for a similar tool. Copperleaf came out on top from a usability and functionality perspective. It was a very pleasant experience. Just a lot of people involved, and a lot of conversation, a lot of collaboration. The user interface was a major change. It took some culture change, some education to make sure that people get adjusted to the new systems. Once we got through that, it felt like we were in the new century.
We may have to compare a project that adds capacity to the system versus a project that is replacing aging infrastructure. So how do you compare, say for example, a transformer replacement to a line reconductor? By using the value framework, we're able to monetize the expected benefits from each of those types of projects. Maybe you're improving reliability, you're reducing the chances that it will fail in the future, and you may also be eliminating some sort of environmental risk if that transformer were to leak oil or something like that. We're able to track which projects impact customers who are in disadvantaged communities. In the future, we would like to expand on this further and incorporate that into our value framework, because this is an area that we see as being incredibly important to our customers and to our regulators.
There are a lot of exciting things that I see us getting into. Further integration with asset risk systems, integration with asset management systems and work management systems, integration with GIS systems so we can visualize our assets and then bundle investments potentially. Those are all the things that are on the roadmap and that I see us working towards and making us a better, more successful company in a challenging regulatory environment.